Hello, welcome to the Lately in PHP podcast. This is episode 95, and today we are going to start a new format that is more direct to the point, very brief, just a few minutes at most. So we are going to start exactly from the article that you are seeing, which is the first of this week. And basically it talks about the future, the PDO extension, specifically driver-specific classes. There are some improvements for the upcoming new PHP versions. You can read more on this this article, and the link to the actual article will be around this video page. And next we have another article about how to have better ideas to develop new classes just in 5 steps. Basically, this is an advice given by Daniel Allen Guerrero Matamoros. I hope I'm pronouncing his name correctly. And he gives some nice advice for you that are interested to publish classes in PHP Classes or any other site. And you want to those classes to have great success. So he gives very nice advice. Take a look at the articles to read more the details about this interesting article. Next, we have another interesting article. This time it's about scanning printed documents. Basically, you can use a scanner, but you also need to have some software that interfaces with the scanner. And this is about a PHP package that uses the naps2, which is a program that exists for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. And you can use this program using this class to call the program and do the scanning process to extract a PDF document. Finally, we have an article about good practices, good coding practice for PHP. Well, this is something that some people agree, others don't. This is just advice. You use the tools that are recommended on this article or not. It's up to you. Basically, it describes the benefits of using several tools like PHP Unit, PHP Log, PHP Code Sniffer, PHP Code Copy and Paste Detector, PHP Mess Detector, and also some great recommendations for one of our greatest contributors, Asif Ahmad Bazil from Pakistan. So basically, this is not all for this week. Hope to see you next week with more on the latest articles, tutorial articles, notable packages, and any other article about the PHP present and future. That's all for now. Bye.
Can you feel it wrapped around your soul with no control?